Hey guys, welcome back to The Buzz. I'm Tiara Bree, and today I'm sitting with Heidi Peters of Asana Wellness Center. How are you doing, Heidi?
I'm great, thank you.
Good, thank you. Thank you for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Thanks. We just wanted to talk a little bit about what Asana Wellness Center is. So could you tell me a little bit about it?
Absolutely. Asana Wellness Center is a fully integrated health and wellness facility that takes the science to the gym. So it takes the science to the practical. What we do there is we test, track, and transform. So what that would mean to you is, as a new client, you would come in and we would take you on an in-body machine and see what's going on in your body from a cellular level. Your body fat, your phasing, visceral fat, whatever's going on with you. And then you'd meet with one of our trainers and get a wellness score. And at that time, they would do a functional movement screen, find out about your goals, whatever they may be. So let's say you're a 45-year-old woman looking to drop 25 pounds. So then we would set you up with Mel, who is our case manager on the clinic side. And then she would set you up, maybe do a blood panel. We have an in-house lab. We do we would deal with hormones, we do food sensitivity, and then at that point we'd go back to the gym side and you would meet with one of the trainers again, reveal your assessment results to you and map out exactly what you need to do to reach those fitness goals. So you have a plan. It's not just cookie cutter. There's one solution for every person. Everyone's an individual. So we're there to help everyone reach their fitness goals, just making getting healthy easy.
And it seems really individualized. Most people don't use the genetics or the scientific side. It's kind of just like, you want to get to 130, here you go, do these workouts.
Yeah, and if we're having issues along the way, guess what? We're going to test you again and find out what's going on. So we have, medical weight loss, natural weight loss. Like I mentioned with the food sensitivity, we really get involved with what's going on with each individual. So it's not, oh, you joined the gym, yay, thanks, here you go. Good luck with that.
So you all do the nutritional side as well?
We do.
Do you do meal plans or anything?
We do. We have an app for that. There's an app for that.
There's an app for everything. That's awesome.
Yeah. No, we do.
And then I heard with your 3 T's, I feel like you got to add Tiara to that. You know, the track.
Yeah, get you
test.
in. You can spin, test, track, transform, and we'll add an S for spin.
That sounds awesome. So where are you all located right now?
We are centrally located at Merrill and 295, just off 295. Across from Publix, so we're essentially 15 to 20 minutes from just about anywhere in Jacksonville.
Okay, and do you all have group training classes, personal training, or is it just an open gym format?
Well, we've got it all actually. We've team training classes, which are small group training. We have personal trainers on staff all the time from open to close, and then we have group fitness classes like, your Zumba, your Pilates, your yoga, your hip hop, deep stretch, and then we also offer a very specialized spin class called Spivvy. So what that is, we have this big movie screen, and it's like being in a video game. There's 22 bikes. Everyone has their own bike number, but on the screen you have your own avatar, so it makes it competitive. So you also have the instructor who's teaching you the class and jamming out to some great music, but you're so into not being the last person there, and you can watch the hills go up. It's just
That's
fun.
awesome.
Really
How did you
fun.
all think of getting that interactive kind of thing in cycling class?
We pride ourselves on being a state-of-the-art facility, and we did our homework.
It seems like it. That's really innovative. I would love to see myself on the screen beating all the other people.
I
in the
would
class.
love to see you doing that as well.
It
Open
seems really
invitation.
fun. How did you get started with Asana Wellness?
Well, I worked for a locally owned company. I worked for Bailey's Gym for just about 6 years and loved it. I was the group fitness director for 15 clubs. And when Asana was coming around, I was recruited, and the whole wellness side of the clinic was just really exciting to me.
So you like that it wasn't just your regular gym?
Right. It really, I don't want to say adds to my resume, but it adds to my
It does,
resume.
yeah.
It just was a lot more education. It was just, I was ready to take that next step.
And does Asana have any partnerships with local charities or businesses here in Jacksonville?
We do. We're the official training facility for the Armada. So the soccer guys are in all the time, working out, and they're so nice, and we're so fortunate to be partnered up with them. And we also work with In the Pink. We sponsored their dragon boat race that they put on, every September. They close down the river, and they have these big, like the Asian dragon boats, and different companies go out, and some companies like really get into it. And so we're excited. I just want to be the drummer. Each boat has their own drummer. I just thought that was pretty cool. Yeah,
that's fun. So does the staff work those events at Asana, or how does that work?
Yes and no. Whichever ones are available, because we always have such a great time. But the Dragon Boat Race is going to be just a huge team building exercise for both the Armada staff, their corporate office, combined with Asana.
Okay, and then I think I heard you say you all just had a past event. this past week?
Oh, we
Can you tell
work
me about that a
closely
little
with
bit?
Void magazine.
Okay.
Love the guys over at Void. We did the Sip and Slide.
Okay.
That was out at Adventure Landing. It was 21 and up, and it was just an adult party and bands, but all the proceeds from that went to Combat to College.
Oh, okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, and then y'all work that program with Asana Wellness, or?
Yeah, with Asana.
Oh, okay.
Just
That's awesome. And then do you have any specials or, deals, promotions to get some new people into your gym?
Well, we always have, we have 3 different rate plans, so it all depends on what anyone's looking for. Like I said, it's individualized. So you could want anything on our wellness side, like the blood work and all the different sensitivities and the nutrition stuff, and you pay a little more for that. It's like, anyway,
Yeah,
it's
they
a
can see on the
huge
website.
benefit. And then we have a core membership that gives you group fitness classes and spin and just access to the gym. And then we have a platform right in the middle, and that is, includes team training classes and your FMS score along with that.
Okay. And then for the FMS score, could you tell me a little bit about that? I haven't heard too much.
Oh, that's a functional movement screen.
Oh,
So what
okay.
that does is, the personal trainer will put all the clients that are looking for that through a series of exercises to find out where they're having issue, whether it's shoulder mobility or a hurdle step if they have some tightness in their hips.
Okay. And then what's the best way to get in contact with you all or get involved with your wellness center?
I would definitely check us out at asanawellness.com or
Okay.
find us on Facebook.
Okay. And then are y'all pretty active on social media?
We are pretty active on social media. Asana Wellness on Instagram as well.
Okay.
We're not snapping yet.
Okay. No. I was like, hey, you'll get there. Everybody's on
We'll get there,
Snapchat
but if it does,
nowadays.
it didn't happen if you didn't snap it right.
That's very true. That's so funny. My friend says that. Anywho, is there anything else you want to tell the viewers of Jacksonville?
You really need to come check out Asana Wellness Center. We've got the best members and staff in town, and I challenge you to prove me otherwise.
You heard her. Got to take that challenge. Well, thank you so much, Heidi, for joining us today.
Thank you very much for having me.
And thank you all for tuning in to The Buzz. We will see you next time.